Hello, everybody. This is Mrs. Wild from National Honor Society, and I just wanted to give you kind of an overview of the new program I'm going to try to use for National Honor Society for logging your volunteer hours. So we'll start using this like pretty much if you are an incoming NHS member or you're going to be back next year, you'll use this. If you're graduating at semester, you're not going to use this. You're going to just send me any remaining hours through email, and we'll do it the old-fashioned way. So I'm going to try to use this one. I found this app. It is free. It is also available on the desktop, as well as you can use and download the app on your iPhone or your Android. So you can kind of log anyway. So when you log, first I'll need your email address, and that's how I'm going to send you an invite. And then when you accept the invitation, you'll put in your first and last name and stuff so that I have that in the system, okay? Then you can get to a screen. It's going to actually give you, let me see if it does that when I log in. Nope. It might give you something to track so you're going to go to time tracker here, okay? And in time tracker, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you don't really have to put anything here. Might be where you put a description of what you did, like helped to fill water cups at the Fox Cities Marathon. Okay, that's what I did. And then I'm always going to go to project, even though it says project and that's weird, but that's where you're going to find the list of clients. You are a client. You will locate your name, and then you're also going to, there'll be tasks here. You're going to create a new task. And I'm going to call this task Fox Cities Marathon. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then I'm going to change the time. Make sure that this is entered. You can do it by clock, but I think suggest adding manually. Picking here from the list. Let's say it's the 19th. I really don't know when the Fox Cities Marathon is. And you did this from 7 a.m. until noon, 12 p.m. Okay. Then you can go ahead and add it. And as you can see, I've already put one in there previously. So it's going to tell me that I have a total of 8 hours of service. So that's kind of where you can kind of keep track of it. I'm just looking to see if there's any other features because I'm not really familiar here. Yeah, we're just going to ignore that one. So if you go down under projects here, it's just going to tell you how many total hours you have. So if you ever don't want to like add them all up yourself, it's going to show you that. This app is not necessarily for the simple reason that we need. It will show you who's in your group, but it's not going to, because our team is going to be made up of like all of the people in NHS, but your actual individual hours will be private and only I can see those. You won't be able to see or I should say that you won't be able to see other people's. You'll be able to see your own and I'll be able to see everybody's. So that's kind of the idea. So hopefully that's helpful. Again, rewatch it if you have any other questions on how to use it. It's somewhat intuitive, but it's a little, a little finicky. But if you have any other questions, let me know and let's see if this works. Thanks.